Pandas is a very popular library in Python for data manipulation and analysis. So it provides two workhorse data structures, namely a series, which is just a one-dimensional data structure, and data frame, which is a two-dimensional data structure. And both allow for easy handling of numerical tables and time series data. Additionally, Pandas has functions for reading and writing data in various file formats like .csv, file, .xml, Excel file formats, and also JSON and database file formats. Also, as well as performing data cleaning, manipulation, and analysis tasks. Let's go ahead and look at the official website for Pandas. So from here, you can see the latest version is version 1.53 as of this January 19, 2023. So again, another thing to check out here is about Pandas, and you can see these are some of the capabilities, features that are supported by Pandas. You can read and write data. You can do reshaping, where you can also do pivoting, and sometimes you can do something else called stacking and unstacking. Very, very powerful functionalities. Also, you can easily access a data in a series or data frame using slicing, fancy indexing, and so on and so forth, what sometimes referred to as subsetting. Okay, you can also optimize performance and so on and so forth. Another thing to note here is that Python also provides some wonderful tutorials. So if you go to getting started here, you can review, and you can see that at the bottom here, if you're coming from R, SQL, Stata, Excel, SAS, Pandas just provides you some very nice tutorials to transition into this wonderful library. And then also there's a 10 minutes tutorial to Pandas. So click on that. Just gives you a quick introduction, more like a cookbook, right? So if you have time, you can go through this and you can try it yourself. Okay. All right. So back to Google Colab here. Google Colab, fortunately, already comes with installed Pandas. So, but you can check a list of libraries installed with Google Colab, and you can see here the Pandas version that we're going to be using in this series of videos is version 1. So where is that? 1.35, which is just the same as what we have here. Okay, so we can close this output. So we don't need to install that, but in the event that you're using an Anaconda here, for example, if you want to install Pandas, so if you're using an IDE or you're using an Anaconda, then there's some good tutorials where you can use some of the commands to install Pandas. All right. So again, so the first thing we want to do here is to load the library. It's very simple. So all you need to do is to just type this command and load it. Okay. And again, when we run this, we can check this is the version. Okay. Again, this is a useful function. Use help, and you can type here the name of the package. So because we're using PD, so if I say Pandas here, again, PD, for example, here. So you can see PD here is just the Pandas that we are referencing here. Okay. Just allows you to read a little bit more of that, of the documentation. So in the next video, we're going to look at the first data structure called series in Pandas.